Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful yet often overlooked topic in men's health, Kegel exercises for men. Yes, you heard that right. Kegels aren't just for women, they're a game changer for men too. Whether you're looking to boost your bladder control, improve your performance in bed, or support your core strength, Kegel exercises can help. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Kegels are, why they matter, and how to do them correctly, step by step. Kegel exercises are simple clench and release movements that strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, the muscles that support your bladder, bowel, and sexual function. These muscles form a hammock-like structure between your tailbone and pubic bone. When they're weak, you might experience things like urine leakage, erectile dysfunction, or poor bladder control. But the good news is, like any other muscle, you can train them. So why should you care about Kegel exercises? Here are just a few of the amazing benefits. Better bladder control. Say goodbye to dribbling after urination or frequent urges. Improve sexual health, stronger erections, better stamina, and even improved control over ejaculation. Post-surgery recovery. Kegels help men recovering from prostate surgery or injuries. Pelvic stability. A strong pelvic floor also helps support your core and posture. Increased confidence. And yes, when things are working better down there, your confidence skyrockets. Pretty impressive, right? Before you jump into the exercises, you need to find the right muscles. Here's how. The next time you urinate, try stopping the flow midstream. The muscles you use to do that? Those are your pelvic floor muscles. Or imagine you're trying to stop yourself from passing gas. That subtle clench at the base. That's it. Important note. Don't make a habit of stopping urine as a regular exercise. That's just for finding the right muscle group. All right, now let's get into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Get comfortable. Start by sitting or lying down. Step 2. Contract your pelvic floor muscles. Tighten the muscles you use to stop urinating. Step 3. Hold the contraction. Hold for about 3 to 5 seconds. Breathe normally. Don't squeeze your abs, buttocks, or thighs. Step 4. Relax completely. Rest for 3 to 5 seconds. Step 5. Repeat, do 10 reps per set. Try for 3 sets a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. Over time, work your way up to 10-second holds and increase reps as your strength builds. Here are some important tips to make your Kegels more effective. Be consistent. Do them daily. Don't overdo it. Like any workout, too much can strain the muscles. Breathe. Never hold your breath. Don't clench other muscles. Be patient. Results take a few weeks to a few months, but they're worth it. You can do Kegels anytime, anywhere, at your desk, in traffic, watching TV. Nobody will even notice. Kegels are safe for most men, but there are a few exceptions. If you have chronic pelvic pain or certain medical conditions, check with your doctor first. Overactive pelvic floor muscles? Doing Kegels might make symptoms worse. Always consult a physician or physical therapist if you're unsure. Once you've mastered the basics, here are a few ways to level up. Standing Kegels adds a challenge due to gravity. Kegels with core exercises, combined with planks or bridges. Biofeedback training. Some men use devices or apps to track performance. Reverse Kegels. These involve intentionally relaxing the pelvic floor for full control training. These advanced techniques can help you gain even more strength and awareness. Kegel exercises for men are simple, effective, and life-changing. Whether you're aiming for better bladder control, improved sexual health, or just taking control of your body, it all starts with just a few squeezes a day. So, are you going to start your Kegel journey today? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more content on men's health and fitness. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay strong, inside and out.